Don't answer questions from a police officer. Okay, you think, what are you talking about, Jeff? I'm talking about this. Don't answer questions. How do I deal with a police officer that pulls me over? You stop the car in a safe place, roll down the window. Now, how much to roll down the window, that's a different question, but roll down the window. This person, the police officer, may say license and registration. You need to provide that. That's required. After that, listen for the questions, and the questions will start coming. And remember, you don't have any obligation to answer any questions. Where are you coming from tonight, Mr. Goldtrap? Officer, I've provided you with my name and registration number. That's all the questions I'm going to answer. How much have you had to drink tonight? That's all the questions I'm going to answer. You don't even have to say I'm not going to answer your questions. You can say, I would like to have an attorney here for further questioning. Or you can just politely say, no thank you, I'm not going to answer questions. Well, Jeff, if I do that, they might arrest me. Yeah, they might. But you know what? If a police officer would like to arrest you, there are many, many reasons that could be happening there at the scene. There are reasons that could be remembered by the time we get to court. Oh yes, I remember I smelled alcohol. I smelled marijuana. Remember, you don't have an obligation to answer questions from the police officer. That's number one. There are two reasons I want you to remember to not answer questions until you see this video. So number one, when you have an interaction with a police officer, remember, you don't have to answer any questions. Number two, never go down to the police station to talk to the detectives. And you ask, why would I ever say that? Because I've practiced law for 20 plus years, mostly here in Nashville and all over Middle Tennessee, and hundreds of times a detective has called my client and said, now we just want to know about this. Now you're not in trouble, but we just want you to come down to the police station and let's talk about this, or we're going to come out to your office and talk, or we're going to come out to your house and talk. We just want to talk to you. We just need you to come down to the police station and talk to us. No. Or you say, and this has happened before too with me, and successfully, I'll be happy to come down to the police station. Let me talk to my attorney and find out when a good time is. In my experience, that means that the detective is no longer going to want to talk to you, because he doesn't want to talk to you with your lawyer. He wants to talk to you by yourself. And let me promise you, you will not be able to explain your way out of this. Yeah, I took some money from my employer, but let me tell you, the cat had to have surgery, or, mama needed a new pair of shoes or something, whatever. There is not going to be any explanation. I've never sold drugs except that one time. And let me explain it. No. Oh, she was, she just, whatever the explanation. Okay. She was being mean to me, and she looked like she was going to hit me first, so I had to hit her first. No. You will not be able to explain this to a police officer, to a detective who says, oh, just come on down to the courthouse. Because the next thing is, well, Jeff, we know all about it. We just need to have your side of the story. Let me tell you, folks, when you get in your side of the story, when you have a trial, when you have your attorney and they navigate through all the ways to say and or the ways to not say something. Okay? So, listen, watch this video before you go talk to a police officer. You must watch this video before you talk to a police officer. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtrap here in Nashville. I want to help you in your criminal law matter, and there are several ways to reach me. You'll find them at the end of this video, and if I can help you, I will. Just reach out and I'll be happy to do what I can for you. But I want you to never talk to a police officer until you watch this video. Go out there and make it a great day.